Hey guys, welcome to Financial Step. We're here to help you take that financial step in the right direction so you can make the income you want to make online. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this, guys. Welcome back to another video. I am so thrilled that you're here right now. I am so thrilled that you're watching this video. I'm so thrilled that you're here to learn more about how to make money online and how I personally did it. So if you guys can do me a quick little favor, I seriously would appreciate it if you just take 3 seconds out of your day, go down below, hit that red subscribe button, drop a like on this video, and share this video with your friends. Okay, those 3 things right there actually help boost this video up in the search algorithm. So if you like this video and you gain knowledge from it, and you do all 3 of those steps, this video will get reached out to more people so they can get help as well. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get into this. So, I first of all want to start off by saying why. Why am I doing this video? And I know that's a question for a lot of people. And the reason why isn't necessarily as important as to how I got here, but I do want to go ahead and explain why I'm doing this, why I'm making this video, why I'm doing this channel, why I'm doing anything about making money online. This is not my niche. This is not my niche whatsoever, okay? My niche is making gaming videos. I have another channel, my main channel, that's almost at 100,000 subscribers, and I make gaming videos on it. Now, I don't want to be one of these YouTubers that comes out and says, hey, how do I make money, blah, blah, blah. Okay, how to make money on YouTube. But they make money from making money. Like, it doesn't make any sense. It just doesn't, right? Or these YouTubers that are like, how to gain subscribers on YouTube. But they gain subscribers by making how to gain subscribers videos on YouTube. Like, what? It's so random, dude. I don't know. I just don't want to be one of those people. So, in today's video, I want to go over how to make money online. Some steps we can take in order to make money online, because I've been making money online for about 2 years. Actually, more than that. But I started making big time money 2 years ago. But I've been trying to make money. I've grinded. I've downloaded apps. I've downloaded money-making apps, survey apps, games that claim to give you free money, stuff like that. I've been doing that for about 4 years now. And I've learned a lot. I really have. I've learned so much about making money online and the correct ways in order to do it. And that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. So enough talking. I hate boring you guys with this stuff because it is just very boring. But you guys are probably here just to learn how to make money and then leave. But hey, if you want to stay, we're going to be making videos all the time. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Alright, enough talking. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first step to making money online is, for most people, it's to go on Google and look up make money. There we go. Just that, make money. Most people do that. Most people who don't understand how to make money online do that. They go to Google, they search make money or how to make money, and they see a bunch of results that never help them. They see a bunch of results that they think might work, and they're so interested because, oh, look at this one. This claims to give you a lot of money. This claims to give you a lot of money. This claims to give a lot of money. This claims to give a lot of money. I gotta try them all. And then you end up wasting hours of your life with getting nothing. It's sad. It really is. It's so sad. And I was in that position. I was in that position too, where I had to check money-making apps, where I had to check money-making sites, and try out so many to the point where I've probably tested about 100 money-making apps. And that's not a joke. I've definitely tested more than 100 money-making apps in my lifetime. It's crazy, okay? It's so crazy. But, hey, you know what? It led me here. It got me to this place where I'm at right now, where I learned more about how to make money online. So, you know what? It was fun. It was fun. It was fun testing them. I didn't make anything, but it was fun testing them. So, yo, these suck. Don't try any of these, okay? These are just simple ways that you might be able to make a few bucks in a month if you work hard. Does that sound good? Making a few bucks in a month for working hard work? No, it doesn't sound good, right? Like, you should just go and get a job at that point. But no, we're here to not have a job. We're here to try and find ways to make money online so we don't have to get a job. And I understand that completely, and that's my goal, is to never have a real job. Real job. You know what I mean? People say real job, but like, you know, everything is a job, right? Everything is a real job. If you're making money from it and you're working, that's a real job, dude. I don't care if it's online or not. You know what I mean? So, but yeah. My goal is to never have like a official job where I have to have a boss and all that stuff. I want to work for myself 100% of the time, all the time. So let's talk about a real method. Screw these. Who cares? Just skip this right here, okay? Don't look at any of these. These suck. These suck. Now, one that doesn't suck is actually Sweatcoin. And I'll tell you about it really quickly. Sweatcoin. Oh, I spelled sweat wrong. Sorry. Okay, but, hello? There we go. Okay, so Sweatcoin. This right here, is a app on your phone. It's for iOS and Android, and this is not necessarily the best way to make money. I don't necessarily recommend it if you're trying to make money by walking with it. So essentially the way it works is you walk, okay, so you go outside or inside as well, but I believe it's mostly outside. So you go outside, you walk or run, and you have the Sweatcoin app open. And you gain sweat coins for walking, and you can cash out for PayPal Cash and a bunch of different random offers. But the thing is, that takes about 2 years. 2 years of walking 10,000 steps a day just to get $1,000 on PayPal. That doesn't sound great. That's not great, okay? I mean, $1,000 PayPal is really good, but 2 years? 10,000 steps a day? What? Come on now. But no, there is a different way to make money on Sweatcoin, though. It's called invites. You can actually invite your friends or anyone randomly on the internet to Sweatcoin, and they can use your link to sign up. And if they do that, you actually get 5 Sweatcoins, and you get 1 invite. Now, there's this thing called Sweatcoin Influencer. Now, if you get enough invites, you can cash out for PayPal Cash. And I believe it's 3 invites for a $3 PayPal. That's good. That's really good. Just invite 3 of your friends or family members and instantly cash out $3. That's really, really good. See, Sweatcoin gives you options, which I like. And I believe there's a $6 one as well, $10 one. And then there's a $1,000 one, $400, $200, $100, all that stuff. And I've cashed out about $800 from Sweatcoin. So I definitely recommend inviting people to this app. That's the only way that you're actually going to make a lot of money from Sweatcoin. I've made $800 in my lifetime from Sweatcoin, which is good. That's really good for a money-making app. Oh my god, I almost knocked over my water bottle. Oh, I'm getting too excited right now. Sweatcoin almost made me knock over my water bottle, and then I would have had to walk over there to clean it up. And that would have got me some Sweatcoins. No. Anyway, yeah, inviting is the best way. Inviting is definitely the best way to make money on Sweatcoin. Okay? If you don't invite, you're not going to make money. It's not going to work, bro. It's so lame, dude. But anyway, inviting, Sweatcoin, great. Okay? So let's come over here really quickly to my Google AdSense. I'll be right back, and I'll show you. All right, welcome to my AdSense dashboard. This is my AdSense dashboard, and I want to show you guys this because you can do it. You can do it. You can do this right here. If you look, this is exactly what I do to make the most amount of money. Okay, so this is mainly for my websites. Okay, I have 2 websites. One of them is thecookiecodes.com. Thecookiecodes.com is a website where you can get Roblox codes. Okay, Roblox is a game. Inside of the game, you can get codes, and I post all the game codes here. Okay, it's a gaming website technically. And yeah, I have this running ads. As you see right here, I have 2 ads at the top. If you scroll down to the bottom, I have 1 ad at the bottom, and then a recommended ad, or something that recommends your content as well as other content. So I have 2 ads at the top, 2 ads at the bottom. And if we go inside of each post, let's just click on Funky Friday Codes. Okay, we come inside of here. We can see that there is a ad right here at the top of the list, or at the top of the blog. Scroll down at the bottom of the blog. There we go. That's how I do my ads. And as you can see right here, today hasn't been the best, but hey, you're going to have good days, you're going to have bad days. Okay, normally I would get about $50 per day. 50 to 80, sometimes even 100 in one day. And today I've made 14, which isn't terrible, it's just not the best. Keep in mind though, it is only 11 a.m., so we might actually end up with like 30 or 40. But we've made $1.1 thousand this month. You can see the exact amount right there, $1,096 this month so far. And by this month, that means April. Okay, just April. From April 1st to today's date, which is April 20th. Okay, this is how much we made in 20 days. $1.1 thousand. That's crazy. A lot of people would literally kill for $1,000 extra per month. Guys, this is so simple. Just make a website. Go to Wix.com. Okay, hold on. Let me show you. Just chill. I'm going to show you everything, okay? Go to Wix. All right, search up Wix. Go to Wix.com. And from this page, you can go and create a free website. And I recommend upgrading plans to the premium plan. It's the $23 a month one. So really quickly, let me just show you here. So Wix premium plans. Let's come here to premium plans, and I'll tell you which one to actually do. So really quickly, let's come here to cookie codes as an example. Okay, so these are the different plans right here. The one I recommend you guys upgrade to is the unlimited plan. This one right here that says $9 a month. Okay, it's not $9 a month. It's not. It's $9 a month if you do a yearly plan. But if you click select, you can see right here, monthly is $23 per month. So that's the one I have for all my sites, and that's the one I always recommend, because $23 a month, you're gonna make profit. Trust me, you're gonna make profit at some point. So don't worry about the $23 a month. But yeah, that's the one I recommend upgrading to. That means you can actually add ads. That means you can add ads once you get accepted into Adsense. So you have to have that plan in order to add ads. Okay? But look, it's paid off for me. I pay $23 a month. I make $1,500 a month. That's usually what I end up with, $1,500. Like, that's a really good amount, dude. That's a really good amount. Not to mention, this right here, this balance over here, $1,900. That is my website from last month and my YouTube channel from last month. So I do make money on YouTube and my websites. So it gives me a collective amount, a really good amount, of around $2,000 a month. So that's how you can do it. Once again, I just gave you guys some tips. Go to Wix.com, okay? That's Wix.com. Create a free site, customize it, make it however you want. It could be a blog, it can be whatever the case may be. Then go to a website called GoDaddy, okay? GoDaddy.com, just like this. And from here, you can go ahead and buy a domain name. A domain name is essentially the URL, okay? So like mine is thecookiecodes.com. You can just search the domain right here. So for me, let's say I wanted cookiejoe.com, whatever the case may be. Let's just search it, okay? And from this page, you would be able to buy different domains. As you see right here, it says cookiejoe.com is taken. Now, if that's true, you can try and get it for a broker. A broker can like try and negotiate and try and get that site for you. I don't recommend it. I just recommend finding something else that's not taken, such as maybe listerdoge.com. I don't know, dude. I don't know. There we go. This one's good. $1 a month. And that actually should be around $11 a month. But if it's your first buy, it should be $1 a month. So that's really, really cool. That's really, really cool. Listerdoge.com. Add to cart, buy, and it'll give you all the steps on how to set it up with your Wix site. Done. Boom. Easy. Done. Boom. Easy. Make a lot of money each month. Let's go, guys. And that's how you can make your website and set it all up and make a lot of money through AdSense, okay? So, and by the way, once you have your site set up, okay, once you have your site with the premium plan set up and your URL or your GoDaddy name attached to it, you can come here to adsense.com, create an account, come here to sites, and from this page, you can go and click add site, enter the URL you just bought, that's connected, of course, and then it would ask you to put a code, a piece of code onto your website, and you would do that, okay? And that's it. You're ready to go. It's super cool. So yeah, that's how you can make money from AdSense. Definitely recommend it. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like on this video. Drop a like and subscribe with notifications on, guys. I love you, and I'll see you next one, and peace.